Hi, I'm Daria Fissoun, and I'm excited to show you a brand new feature in OmniScope, the SkinTone Scope. This innovative tool allows for dedicated monitoring of skin tones, helping colorists ensure they fall within a natural range, and assists in matching the appearance of skin across multiple shots. The SkinTone Scope's biggest strength lies in its extended customization options, meaning you can set it up to accommodate any subject, lighting environment, or film look. To access these options, right-click in the SkinTone Scope window and go to Settings. At the top, you can pick between two color models. HSL isolates regions of the image by way of separating color from the grayscale information, creating the ideal environment for intuitive grading adjustments. YCBCR is based on the broadcast standard model, which focuses on the luminance and color difference components of an image. This is perfect for achieving skin tone consistency for broadcast deliverables. Use the bars underneath either model to define the exact hue range that constitutes skin. You might want to adjust these when working under unique lighting conditions or when trying to more closely match skin within a sequence. For even more refinement of the skin qualifier, tick Saturation and Luminosity limits. This will reveal two more sets of ranges that will allow you to more strictly define the selection in the skin tone viewer. This can be helpful when working in environments with saturated props and costumes, or on shots that feature over and underexposed areas. Click Gray Background to turn the areas outside the skin tone selection gray. This will allow you to focus more fully on the skin tones when working in colorful environments. Click Apply Mask to remove any section of the frame that does not qualify as a skin tone, replacing it with a black matte. Any other tools in OmniScope that feature viewers will also be affected, allowing you to closely observe which sections of the frame are impacted. For quick access, you can also find the Apply Mask action in the contextual menu of the SkinTone Scope. When it comes to the overlays themselves, you have several great options. By default, the Grid Overlay mode places a subtle grid pattern over the qualifying skin tones, leaving enough information to both see the subject and make adjustments. Use the color and transparency controls underneath to modify the appearance of all the overlays. Solid color presents as a near-opaque matte, which can be ideal when you need certainty in a shot with tricky lighting, or if your subject is far from the camera. The gradient modes will also present as mattes, but with a gradient that's representative of the skin tone range. By default, the left gradient will mark areas of the skin that are closer to magenta, and the right gradient those that are closer to yellow. This mode is especially useful when trying to achieve a close match in a subject across a sequence. When working with three gradients, as well as monitoring the upper and lower limits of the skin, you can also keep track of the midtone, which allows for maximum precision when matching and performing beauty work. The low pass setting reduces overlay noise, which is often caused by compression artifacts found in digital images. Drag the strength bar for a smoother overlay. To reset the SkinTone Scope settings, right-click to bring up the contextual menu and choose Reset Settings. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the exciting things the powerful SkinTone Scope has to offer, and I'm sure you'll be putting it to very good use in your upcoming projects. Remember to check out the video description for more information. And please hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest training videos. Visit timeandpixels.com to learn more about OmniScope, your assist for professional color grading.